friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to report a user on YouTube. So what you want to do, I'm going to take for example this Learn AI channel here, right? This is another channel of mine, by the way. So if you guys are focused and really want to learn about AI, you can check out that channel because it's more AI focused, and you can just find a ton of value there with various AI tools that I've been sharing on that channel. So how do you go about and report a particular user? Let's take this as an example, right? So you want to go ahead and you want to go to the channel homepage, right? And where you have the channel description, as you can see here, you want to go ahead and click on that. Right, you also have the more options. So whether you click on the channel description or you click on the more, it's going to expand it for you and you will find the details of the channel. So what you want to do, simple click on report user, and there are many options here. You have options such as to hide the user from my channel, to block channel for your kids, to report the channel hard, to report the channel picture, and you also have the option to report the user. Now once you click on report user, you have a bunch of other things that appear, right? You have the option to choose why, so you can go ahead and you can choose whether you want to choose any one of these, or if you choose none of these and click next, then I guess that you will have the option to to fill in more details or something like that. So this is basically in another language. Let me go ahead and check it. It says okay, I understand, blah 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 blah, right? So you get the idea. So it's gonna give you more options here where you can go ahead and you can read about these things. Now if you want to go ahead and you want to choose something here, you can choose for impersonation, for violence, for whatever it might be, and you'll get the option to to say why, and you can basically choose that. But this is basically it, guys. You want to take the time to go ahead and choose what's appropriate, what's the reason, be accurate, and you will basically have the option to block that user, right? To report that user. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you go ahead and report the user. Just come here, follow the steps. Now I want to mention that you're using this cautiously, because you don't want to just go ahead and report someone for no reason at all, right? So you want to be accurate as to why you're reporting the person, and also ensure that you follow the guidelines and so forth from YouTube before you do something like this. So that's it, guys. I really hope you found value here, and if you do, give this video a like, let me know in the comments below, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.